Hello everybody, it's Flamer and welcome back to another unboxing video. Now I know it has been quite a while since my last video, and yeah, after the Uncharted The Lost Legacy series ended, I kinda had nothing to do, but I'm sorry about not uploading. I kinda didn't know what to record or upload or anything, but now I have found something to upload, an unboxing video. So yeah, and I haven't bought anything really. Nah, not really, no. But yeah, okay. So you guys know, you probably know I'm a big fan of Skylanders. Let's hope you know. And I love cats because that's why I have a cat. Which I do, if you didn't know. So I had a thought. I want all Skylanders who are considered cats, or cat mixtures, or anything with cats or cat animals. So yeah, I was on eBay and I found this guy, Trap Shadow. Now he looks really cool from the magic element. He's a swap force character, a swapper, if you would say so. And yeah, he's of the magic element. He's of the sneak stat or ability, I guess. And yeah, I got him in package and all just today. So yeah, why not open him? I am super excited because he is awesome looking. And yeah, there's one more cat Skylander that I don't have, so I'll be sure to let you guys know and record it if I get it, if and when I get it. So yeah, how about we open him? Trap Shadow, he looks really amazing. Just really, stop, camera, do as I say. Okay, so let's just tear him open, just like you used to do it back in the day. I was going to say, but I don't feel old enough to be able to say that. Okay, there you go. Ooh, that's sharp. Oh wow. I haven't opened one of these in ages. Skylanders hasn't come out for quite a while, so it's been quite a while since I actually got one. Got a Skylander, that is. So here he is, Trap Shadow. My oh my, he looks cool. Alright, let's just get him up. Get him out. There you go. Make him into his swap parts. The bottom figure, I guess, bit of him, and the upper path. Stops calling him paths, but okay, we'll take a look at him a little bit later. Here we go. There are some cards right here of Trap Shadow. We get his statistics. Oh, I remember when we got these. It was in Superchargers. They stopped using them, which I kind of disliked. I like these cards. They're informative. He's a very, as you can see, he has 180 in defense, so he's quite a defensive character, I guess. With all the traps and all. And 140 in damage, which is pretty good. And 100 in speed, which is okay. Well, yeah, okay, sure. I've seen some gameplay of him, and he looks pretty cool with the sneak ability, so he looks a little bit faster, and 80 in luck. So, and here are his stickers. With the swap force stickers, you can they are 2 stickers, so you can swap the stickers, which is really cool. And there's the name and all that. So here we go with the character itself. Let me just turn on this light so we get a little bit more light on things. Or I guess dark in this situation because he's a sneaky one. Well, no, that didn't make any sense. What did it? No. But look at him. He looks pretty sweet indeed. Those cat, tiger, saber-toothed tiger, just badassness. And yeah, those scythe or dagger looking things on the back, they look really cool. And he's like in a shush position, which is really neat. And he holds his trap like, shush, I'm about to trap you, or something like that. It's really really neat. I'm really hoping that this will be a great Skylander because I've seen a lot of good things about him. So yeah, and he's got the blue and purple, and it looks really cool. And the green eyes, Jesus, they look awesome. Don't they look awesome? I like the saber teeth. Also, did you guys know? Fun fact, fun nerdy fact. A saber-toothed tiger real name, at least I think this is it, is a Smilodon. I hope that's true and I hope that's correct, but from what I heard, it's Smilodon. It's the correct name for a saber-toothed tiger. So he's a purple and blue Smilodon with a green scarf, which I have seen he later puts on in his last upgrade, I think. So yeah, all around a fantastic figure. This trap almost looks like a Traptanium trap. He would look great as a Trap Master. So yeah, that is it for today. Okay, let's pan down and show off everything we got. Okay, we got this card, we got the Skylander himself, and then the stickers. So this is all we got. All in all, it was great. So, oh, sorry, my computer. So that was it for this unboxing, guys. I don't know when I'm gonna record next time. It's probably gonna be for my 3rd year anniversary. It's 2018, by the way. Happy New Year! I haven't wished you guys that, have I? So happy New Year. And yeah. So it's I think it's the 31st of January. I could be wrong about that, but I think it's the 31st of January. Jeez, I can't talk. January. That's the 3rd year anniversary, which is insane. I've done this for 3 years and a lot of pauses now and then. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, this unboxing video. And if you did, smash a hole in the like button and smash a hole in the subscribe button as well if you want to see some more content in the future. I don't know what I'll record next apart from the 3rd year anniversary, but it'll be something. So if you guys want to stick around for that, I hope you will. And yeah. I will see you guys later. Bye! Bye.